Mana yini yenza ukuthi kube nama-side kule nto? Yini yenza ukuthi kube nenhlangothi ey'mbili? Ngoba ube indlovukazi ye-podcast noma yenze ividiyo beniyothi nifuna i-evidence. Ngoba kupostwe i-evidence senithi she's seeking attention. Akwenzi umqondo. Ngoba noma kuthiwa i-videorayiziwe le nto ma-videorayiziwanga, into ithi yenzekile. And akona okokuqala yenzeka. And nenze ngazuthi nina manje izinyani namdlongo ngoba nanilazi alimazi uNkosi Misuzulu ukuthi njani. Ubani ongazi ukuthi uhlezi ekhuluma namalungu omndeni kanje azalwa nawe esiswini esisodwa noma esendelinye. He has been terrorizing ifamily yakhe for far too long. It's a known fact. Noma ngaba yini la edlayo emhlulayo kodwa siyazi ukuthi khona into edlayo angamfuni. So yini manje niqabuke yini enza ukuthi nithi into ekanjena uma ngabe yenziwe umholi noma inkosi kumele iqunywe ifihlwe ngoba phela amanyala and amanye amanyala akhulunywa uyena eyinkosi. Kodwa nifika ucele manje ey'nsukwini ethi uMdlokombane isilo esidala sasikhuluma 5 hours sithi pe. Ukhuluma kanjani lento leyo? Yini yenza ukuqhathanisa ubukhosi bakho nobukhosi bayihlo babo wakho ekuzala? Kuningi okurongo and niyakwazi so manje yabona ukuthi manje aseningi kakhulu amanxashi la ku-social media ney'ndabhubi. Anisenawo umbono okuwowenu. Sengiqoma ukuthi ngiqalela lamaqhaweni ukuthi athini ngendaba ethile bese kuma linohlangothi. Awunawo nje umcabango wakho. Sikhuluma nawe la ngento idinga nje impilo nokwazi impilo. Usikhothela iBhayibheli. Akuyona yonke into imaseve nje umcabango wakho. Awudingi ukuthi uze reference ku-political party ebhilonga kuyona noma inkonzo okubhilonga kuyona. Kuningi okushiwo kuleya video lo okurongo nje okubonisa i-character le immorality yenkosi ukuthi unjani. Very immoral. Umthuka kanjani ngisho wese uyiNazaretha yena ngowakhe. Umthuka kanjani inkosi uNyazi Bezulu. Uzukhala ngo-10 million wena uyindoda. Yini yenza ukuthi ungabe ku-involve kwakhiwa? Iluphilohlobo lwe-patriarch lwenza ukuthi uzuthi uchemene Nkosi Misuzulu kulolu daba? Ungabe involve kuze kwakhiwa uzokhipha o-10 million ukhiphana nemali kuphela awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuze kwakhiwa idladla lelo wathi idladla lizaziqedwe. Wena awukho lapho. Yabona iningi izinto ezisikompilo ezimeqile ngathi ehlele USA. Mhlawumbe ifana nokuqhathwa nje ngoba impela iningi izinto ehlelekezelwe izinto eziwusikompilo lo muntu wesilisa mengayikhula ezikufundisa nje inhliziyo yakho ukuthi idile kanjani ezinye izinto angayitholanga ngenkathi se-USA. That's what I would think. And njengamanje I'm sure I consult to anyone, akani-advisor, akezwa muntu. Ngiyakhumbula indlela ade ekhuluma ngayo noMangosuthu uButhelezi esaphila. Eze eshole nje nenhliziyo ebuhlungu ngenxa yayo inkosi uMisuzulu. So iningi inkinga esenkulu. Angikho kupolitiki ukuthi ubani omele abe inkosi, mina ngabe abe inkosi. Yona le nkosi ekhona, manje amakhosi aneyinkinga. NawasemaXhoseni le uBathenjini uDalingebo. Naye unenkinga zakhe nje. Kodwa abantwana benkosi nendlungulo nje yonke ingazi kumele ingenelele lapha because kuningi okurongo.
Must turn a blind eye and say because he's the king he's allowed to. It is utterly wrong. There is no excuse for abuse. The king is wrong. He is abusive. He is an abuser. What was happening there, nothing can absolutely justify it or excuse it. Whether you are intoxicated or not, absolutely nothing can justify or excuse any behavior. Number 2, I want to rectify this. Dolomba does not have 3, 4, 5 kids. Dolomba does not have 3, 4, 5 kids. I know that woman. When the king met that woman already had a child. She's got one child. The notion that the media has been spreading about that woman is false. And it is disgusting ukuthi members of the royal family have been allowing such a bad narrative to be peddled. And it is sad because some of us who have been through that just sit back and watch and say history is repeating itself where a woman must be dragged. Women are not respected in that family. Women do not have voices in that family. I don't care what people will say about me or write about me, sticks and stones, I don't care. Number 2, Mtolomba did not publish that video. She did not publish that video. Mtolomba has been subjected to abuse for years, months. Mtolomba did not even believe that Ubayete would marry her. They were dating long before he became a king. People must get that in their head. They were dating long before he became a king. He met her enengane yakhe eyodwa, one child. They were dating long before he became a king. And when he decided to take her, she didn't believe it happened, but it happened. So that woman has been, not only her, it's just that abanye abakhulumi, they will keep quiet because the protocol says you cannot talk as a woman kwaZulu. You cannot talk within the royal house. That is what the protocol says. And it is said ukuthi amadoda within the royal house will want to uqindezela abantu besifazane. Have you ever seen a vocal queen? Because they will say to you, if you are vocal, you cannot be close to him because you will make him shrink. Even if you have business ideas, whatever ideas you have, if you come across as a strong contender, they will do anything and everything to want to silence you. We need to accept the fact that GBV exists within royal houses. Within royal houses, it does. And gender-based violence doesn't only happen when somebody has been physically beaten up. If gender-based violence happens, number 1, izinto that people say to each other. Number 2, women within the royal family will want to cause gender-based violence to other women because bazofuna ukuncindezela. I'm not speaking hearsay here. If gender-based violence will happen within that royal family because the king is right, the king can never do any wrong. And when people start talking to say this is what's happening, it is quick that the society will say, but we don't speak like that about the king. Put the title of the king aside. The man is abusive. The man needs to go to a drug and rehab center to get rehabilitation. Mtolomba has been going through this abuse. She confided in an elder. An elder, ngiyabezwa abantu bathi ngabe ukhulume nabo mama esigodlweni bamsiza. She did exactly that. Mtolomba confided in one of the elders ukuthi na impilo engiyiphilayo. This is not the only video that she sent that elder. Mtolomba has been sending videos to that elder ukuthi nayi video. They've got multiple videos in that house. And the only reason why they published that video is because that elder had a fallout no Mtolomba. And to get back at Mtolomba, she decided to publish the video as if it's news. I don't care. Ningakhuluma ngami, ningipende, ningibhale kabi, nithini, but I'll be damned if I will turn a blind eye to abuse. I'll be damned if I will turn a blind eye to gender-based violence that's happening. Stop the narrative nitu lo mama lo umaga Enzo. No. UMisuzulu wamshela Mtolomba enengane yodwa. Mtolomba has one child. Mtolomba has never been married in her life. Uyaqala ukushada ngoMisuzulu. Let's get that straight. Number 2, women, stop being hypocrites. Stop being hypocrites. Nizogceka another woman and throw stones at her. Nimbiza magama because nani nineyinkinga zenu, nineyikeleton zenu. The only difference is that nina naziwa akekho umuntu onganijaja le ngaphandle. Bese nizothi content creator kuphi because all of them post their lives. Ask yourself why Maisela went under the carpet for some time. Ask yourself why lo Mulela waseSwazini naye she went under the carpet for some time. Don't. Mongayazi into learn to keep quiet sometimes. Mina, I am addressing the man behind the title of being the king. No man ngathi whatever, I don't care. The man behind the title of being a king is a gender-based violence perpetrator because emotionally, physically, he abuses those women. It's not a hearsay. I've seen it, I've heard it, and I've seen it. The man behind the title needs to go to a drug and alcohol rehab center. That's the reality. So instead of wanting to bring down uMdolomba, mamela abanye benu niyayifisa impilo kaMdolomba, abanye benu you wish you were in the same shoes as uMdolomba. uMdolomba did not even think ukuthi that man was going to marry her. They've been dating for years before aba inkosi uMrs Zulu. It's not like into eyenzeke manje. That's my submission ukuthi in everything we do, put the title aside. Face the man. The man needs help. The man is a GBV perpetrator. The fact that he's a king, we must turn around and say, "Ayi, akhulunywa kanjalo, umlomo ungakhulumanga." Hey, what? No, because the wrong narrative. Abantu bayakhula. We've got young boys who look up to Inkosi. We've got young boys who look up to Isigodlo. Young boys will grow up and say, "Oh, if the king can do this, Nami, I can." That means we are far from ending the scourge of gender-based violence in our country because we want to justify it. If it was an ordinary man who is not titled, who doesn't have power, who did this, ngabe thina, i-Purple Gang or ama activists sitting, no. This man is abusive. This man needs to face the wrath of the law. But because he holds a title and he knows he can get away with it, he knows, Zuguti, you are going to turn a blind eye and pretend like it never happened. He knows, Zuguti, you're going to blame the woman. That is why such things will continue. And I want to say, cease and shame on you, Nonke Nina. And you blame uMdolomba, Guti, ngaba kayisenda ngale video. Well, she shared it with somebody she trusted, who's an elder. Uguti, ngilegelele. This is the life I'm living. So if the elder had a fallout with her and decided to publish it, whose fault is that? Shame on you, Ninen Grega, another woman who's being abused. Because if uMdolomba has passed on, uMdolomba, God forbid, something happened to her, bamshayile futhi and unengozi, and she never survived. Do you think the royal house would say, "Hey, she died because he beat her up"? They wouldn't. They were going to cover it up and say she possibly collapsed and that's it. How many queens have died in Africa where the truth of their death is not revealed? They cover it up and say, no, it was cancer, no, it was a car accident. But yet we know that kings were the perpetrators.
Just a quick question. Hello, just a quick question. Anyway, guys, let me put a disclaimer. The views that are shared in this live, they are not the views of the channel. And please, guys, I do advise that you use allegedly unless you have evidence. Can I just ask something based on your submission? Do you mean that this video was not taken yesterday? It's not a new video. It's something that happened. But
It's not a new video. It was not taken yesterday. There are multiple videos that have been taken, not only by her, other people also. And the only sin that she did, she confided in an elder in the family, Mama Omdala, ukuthi this is the abuse I'm living under. I don't know what to do. And they were not believing her. And she would send this elder these videos. Unfortunately, because this elder had a fallout with her, they decided to do what they do best. Because when they fall out with you, it's either they will hack your phone, they will post videos on your behalf, and pretend it's you or do whatever. So that's why it is shame on all these people who are blaming uMdolomba. Stop it. She doesn't have 3 kids. She doesn't have 4 kids. She's got 1 child. When he met her, stop it. That woman is not a content creator. Bonke baya poster. Bonke. And if you want to talk about Gutumfazo Yistagwa, bonke baya puza. Bonke baya puza. So people must stop it. Stop hating on another woman. Remove the title. Behind the title of a king or Ubayete or whatever is a man. And that man needs help. He needs help because emotionally he abuses people. He's a JBV perpetrator and he needs a drug and rehab center to go and clean his system out. That is my submission. Yeah,
thank you. Okay. Or say something to Kwanele before we move on. Mhleze. Is there anyone who wants to say something? Okay, it's fine. Okay, thank you, Sihle. I think you can maybe park a little bit. Lulamile, please come in.
No, Molweni. I absolutely agree with Ukwanele. Big ups to that. If she revealed eye-opening information because Nyani, social media does have a lot of power, Glenn, because Lomama Kangavuge. akavela avuke wayidropha le video yabo, even though ngonokwanele ukuthi khangidrophe nanguye, she confided in someone and then it was a fallout. So it's very sad that singajongi macala amanye, singaqale, we just quick to judge. So this is just straight emotional abuse, and you can justify emotional abuse. So we as according to it's quite sad that we are very quick to judge from seeing just video one. We have a lot to say, like, and lento yoba men are not taught how to treat abantu besifazane. It's really nyani into esibethayo in the long run, because on the other side it's the opposite. So big ups. That's
I just saw a video of what looked like the Zulu king being verbally abusive to one of his wives. What really shocked me the most is how women were reprimanding the lady for recording. Why are you recording? Why are you recording? And it dawned on me that women will exempt men for abuse as long as that man is in a high position in society. The moment they think that man is wealthy, they will make you the victim. Yeah, understand? The moment you report abuse and this man is someone they have a crush on, or they hold highly wrong for reporting it. When that person passes away, all of a sudden, why did she keep quiet? Why didn't she use her resources? All of a sudden, you want to wear purple. Justice for ban. This is why they call you performers. You are performers. Because you are selective when it comes to abuse. It is only abuse when it's done by Usfiso from the corner, when it is done by Ipara, when it is done by someone's brother. The moment that it is done by someone when you think is a king in your eyes, or you put on a pedestal, it's not abuse. Why is she posting family affairs? You're crazy. Because abuse must come in a certain box for you in order for you to understand that it's abuse. That is why they call you performers. Because if it doesn't come from the person you are expecting it from, then it is not abuse. You're trying to shut down another woman. You're trying to take her voice away. Tomorrow you're going to be the first to say, let's change profile pictures. Nisi performance.
Icon. Akengene bafuthi nami ngedatha lami. Ngathunywa umuntu nje ngisho ngedatha lami nje. Hayi. Le ndaba inzima bafowethu. Yasendlunkulu. Angale mina ngumlandeli wasoke impela isilo. uMesizulu ngimkhonzile futhi kakhulu, sengikuzwile okuningi ekukhulumayo ngaye, but mina ngakwelami isayidi ngiyabezwa nje abaningi basola uNdlunkulu ukuthi ebenzelana ivideo bese ngeke isidingo sokuthi enze ivideo, kodwa ayingeke bafowethu silikhuluma iqiniso. Ezinye izinto kumele simele sibe iqiniso, kungabe ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe nakho singancethezi nje. Hayi, iphutha likhulu kakhulu esilweni sethu bafowethu, likhulu kakhulu esilweni sethu. Noma ngabe kuthiwa ngizozondwa kanjani anginendaba, ongizonda kumele ngizonde. Isilo sethu sinephutha elikhulu kakhulu. Akusiye umholo ongakhuluma lamagama akawakhulumayo kule video nje esabalele einkundleni zokuxhumana. Akusilo nje amagama kangakhulunywa isilo lawa sihlambalazeke kakhulu kuma nje siyahlekwa ngapha nangapha. Ngezwe nje abaningi bathi kodwa kulungile, akusiyo into engakhulunywa isilo leya esihola abantu abangaka uZulu wonke uhlangene ekubeni kuba bekaze kahle futhi ukuthi kunane competition napha. Ubhizi ke manje uSimangathi usethola imbobo okungena ke manje, ubhizi ke manje uyakhuluma ke manje, ubhizi uyakhuluma ke manje. Uyasike futhi ukukhuluma isilo sethu siphethe notshwala esandleni, noma kuthiwa siphethe etshwala lamagama siwakhulumayo nje akusiwo. Ngakhuluma isilo, mina ngisikhonzile isilo, ngiyasithanda, kodwa babesenza into engekho ngiyosho nje ukuthi akusiyo. Ongizondayo ngamane ngizondo, kodwa iqiniso lohlalele iqiniso bafowethu. Uyasho uNdlunkulu ukuthi yona impilo akayiphilayo ke lapha endlini. Shuthi lento uyihlali kuyinto yamihla namalanga, ukuthi isilo sizophuza istela bese sibhodlela kuNdlunkulu kahleni bafowethu. Mina noma bekuthiwa khona ongibona kabi othini ngami ngale video le, hayi angisena ndaba, kodwa kodwa nje isilo sethu sisiphoxile. Mina ngiphoxeke kakhulu kabi ukuthi umuntu engimkhonze njengalo ekhuluma amagama afana nalawa. Even ingane encane ungabe wakhuluma lamagama isidakwa nje sikhuluma le nto le. Kodwa ke ngeke sithine semkhonzile ubayede isilo sethu kodwa hayi makuthiwa kuvuka umdlokombane noShenga bezosibukisa lemkhuba esiyibukayo isilo esisiholayo njengamanje. Hayi bafuthu ngeke. Angisho ukuthi ngithini ngizomlahla ngeke ngize ngimlahle isilo ngisikhozile vele ngoba uhola ngokusemthethweni kodwa hayi ngeke bafuthu hayi. Ndlula mithi ngeke. Ngeke ngisengathi mhlawumbe ama video la ngoba abantu bekhuluma kangaka nje lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana sengathi engafika kuwe nami ngiyagxeka impela ngiyagxeka ngeke impela ngeke hayi ngeke mina ngeke ngivume elethu lelizwe leli uShenga usebenzile kubeka lapha esikhundleni ngoba kusemthethweni ukuthi ubeke esikhundleni kodwa hayi kanje nayi ngeke bafethu hayi ngeke ngizondeni manje ngizonda ningithuke manje ngithuka kodwa iqiniso loba liyiqiniso i-wrong lento yenziwe isilo i-wrong kakhulu ayenziwe lento akukhulunywa kanje akukhulu.
Yabona ngisho ngathi uNkulunkulu usinikeza amandla angakanani but mina I believe in wake up call. I believe ayikho into eyenzeka ngaphandle kwesizathu. So ngiyeza abantu begxeka lo muntu obeshuthele video lo muntu oshuthele video mina ngeenkolelo zami I think wenze into right because mhlambe inkosi yethu esihloniphayo ibiyidinga i-wake up call. Siyalidinga uswazi empilweni no matter how big we are. Mase sihamba ku pavement siyayidinga into ezosenza sibone ukuthi siku pavement manje. Sesidlule ngisho i-yellow lane saphuma kwi lane yethu sadlula i-yellow lane sase siya ku pavement. Uyayidinga nje lonto empilweni. Uswazi oluzokushaya likuveza obala kubantu yabo ukuze khona nabantu abaseduzana abakwazi ukukukhuza bezosondela bekukhuza. I believe khona okuwesi kunalokho esingakuboni. Lokho esikubonile nje akwelutho. Mawulalela ithoni yayo enkosi yethu. It shows ukuthi nje mhlambe nje yathatha ngathini insila yomuntu omdala othize owephuma esandleni ngalendlela. Out of hand bafethu. Out of hand. Yazi sonke siyaphuza utshwala ngikhumbula ngeloti ilanga ngikhuluma into efana naleyo. Angikhumbuli angisoze futhi ngayikhuluma into efana naleyo ngomlomo wami. Yabo? So lento eyenzakalile ngiyeza abantu begxeka yabo lo shuthile wenze kahle impela because khona sebezosondela bangenelele bengeke kwenzeke lokho besozwa ngento enkulu ngelinye ilanga besozwa ngesidumbu mhlambe yabo so mina ngithi wenze kahle sonke sayidinga wake up call bafethu into nje ezosifaka emgqini sivele obala ukuthi senza kanjani
tshelani isilo iqiniso sifile lesilo asikwazi isilo ukuthi sitshela amakhosikazi ngesancinza ukuthi nginentombi ngaphandle ungazochomela abafazi ngesifebe nje esikufakela ikhuphe ngaphansi musana ukunya nina noZulu sengiqala ukudayisa ngokuthi
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Samzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nababantu labanye babeka umbono wabo about indzaba yakhe kuMsizulu ngemva kube ne video yakhe lisabalela kulapha enkundleni yokuxhumana kuthuka emfati wakhe Queen Nomzamo kunebantu lababona ukuthi ube wrong uKing Msizulu akahloniphi na ukuthi nje nasilo vele siyahlukumeta siyathi ukuthi some people were defending him but there are those who are saying ukuthi lento la yendile ibe wrong nje kakhulu. This is GBV. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.